Balance on capital account. The following are balances on the accounts of David, a sole trader, as at the end of the current financial year and after all entries have been processed and the profit for the year has been calculated. Non-current assets, $21,250. Receivables, $1,750. Trade payables, $750. Bank loan, $3,750. Allowance for depreciation, non-current assets, $3,750. Inventory, $1,000. Accruals, $250. Prepayments, $500. Bank overdraft, $500. What is the balance on David's capital account? Answer. Non-current assets, debit, $21,250. Receivables, debit, $1,750. Trade payables, credit, $750. Bank loan, credit, $3,750. Allowance for depreciation, non-current assets, $3,750. Inventory, $1,000. Accruals, $250. Prepayments, $500. Bank overdraft, $500. Total debit, $24,500. Total credit, $9,000. Capital equals $24,500 minus $9,000 equals $15,500.